do again. Atlanta had every right to get that ball, and Crystal just out-hustled him. Bird's got it. Oh, backdoor cut to Alicia Clark with 1 on the shot clock, and they fry Atlanta defense again. 8-point deficit. Sue Bird with the backdoor beauty.
Ender through her hands, and Alicia Clark gives the Bird. Up ahead, Takashi. She lays it up and in. She's got 6. Started the game, her first start of the year.
Really underneath it, her hand underneath the ball and turned it over.
Tommy Nunez says, no, you didn't call for the timeout. We're going the other way. Here's Sue with a beautiful rainbow 3-ball. Bird with it, crosses over. O'Neal pulls up from 17. Seattle just in a stone-cold groove right now. Sue Bird.
I give Alicia Clark credit. She was not in her face when she let that go, but she was with her every step around all those screens.
Sue Bird on the other way comes around a screen and knocks it down, and Seattle is up by 4. Seattle's a 4-on-3. Mosqueda Lewis cuts through. Sue with the bounce, lobbing it inside. Beautiful pass to Langhorne, back-to-back buckets on great assists of the first half, and did not follow it up with a very good offensive half. We'll see if that changes here. And here's another steal. Alicia Clark running the weak side, and nobody sees her. She just